What's going on, guys? John here, Jim here. No Ryan here today. He's still out. But hey, we have built the 49 Ford body swap BMW, working on some other things. We are Maniacs Garage. All right, guys, today we're gonna not work on the 49. We are actually working on this 62 Mercury right here. We're in the home stretch, baby. Got the exhaust done.
All right, all loaded up. Be glad you didn't get to be a part of that. We're here with EXP Performance. I'm with Memo here. He is the exhaust artist. He's gonna walk us through what he did.
We ran a 2.5 straight true dual exhaust system on it. Went over the axle, placed the mufflers here because that's where they keep high and tuck away from anything on the road. New hangers, 1/2-inch rods for the hangers, a cold roll of steel, so unbreakable basically. Over here we got a next pipe. We installed this one to balance out the exhaust, balance out the sound, and create a little more torque. And then we came all the way from the headers, the little tricky part right here. Also came down a little bit lower on this side because we had a coolant pipe here for the fluid. But yeah, basically 2.5 and all the way from the headers all the way back.
How long you been doing this, Memo?
24 years.
That's it?
That's it. Started back in 2000, so.
What were you, like 12?
15.
Really? Oh, wow. It looks great. Really excited. I'm glad you guys noted the X-pipe, and because I forgot to tell you that it was something we wanted to do for sure. And
Absolutely.
Everything came out really good. He had some challenges up here coming off the headers. It's definitely a tight squeeze in there. We got some brake lines up over here that I was kind of concerned about, but I am no longer concerned about it at all. Yep. Looks like we got plenty of space, and then up in there we had a steering support right there mount he had to contend with, but everything came out really good. Pretty excited.
Yeah, another one for the books.
All right, now let's hear it, huh?
We are gonna throw some plasti dip coating on the wheels, some last minute loose ends to tighten up, right?
Well, as you mentioned, we're going to be pulling off the wheels today, pressure washing them, and then plasti dip. We have a little bit of a problem. It keeps jumping out of park and into reverse. I mean,
That's a problem.
it's a problem for some, so we'll get that adjusted, and then we got several leaks we want to button up, get a couple chrome pieces put back on, but other than that, we should be test driving.
Why are we rushing to get this done today?
So we're a little bit of a time crunch because next Saturday I'm driving it away from the chapel.
Buddy, that's gonna be fun.
In my wedding. That's the plan. Let's get going.
All right, so the first thing, I'm gonna take these wheels off the car and get them cleaned up. So we plasti dipped 2 of these wheels just because I don't like how the black looks with the thin little lines right here. It's too modern, it's for a whole different look, but these wheels were a good deal, and you know, we picked them up. I did a quick little spray just to get a feel for it with some plasti dip, and man, I'm having a hard time getting this to come off. I mean, it comes off good in some places, but then it just doesn't want to come off. It's crazy how much it bonds to it, but I gotta get it all off. Dude, what's going on?
So the front brakes, I noticed getting on the trailer the other day that you had to give it a lot of throttle. It seemed like there's a lot of resistance. It turns out the front brakes are locked up. When I say locked up, it means they're like applied. They're applied right now. They're not backing off.
Really hard to turn.
It's very, very hard to turn.
Can't turn.
Yeah, can't turn now. Yeah. Yeah, so I mean.
All right, so we're a little bit of a loss, but
yeah, there's nothing that should be holding pressure in there. I pulled the cap. I mean, but yeah, both sides are equally locked up, so that's.
it says something. We just don't know what it says. So.
Well, if they're both locked up, they both feed from here.
Yep.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you guys like to support our channel, go to our website at maniacsgarage.com. Check out the merch we have on there. Hats, t-shirts, decals, and more. Now let's get back to this video.
Dang, bro. It's like rock hard. Rock hard.
Oh. All right, so I'm gonna put the bleeder on. But this is good because it felt weird the first time we drove to that. I feel like
It's good in the sense that, you know, we're discovering that something's wrong. It sucks that we don't know really what it is.
I was thinking like, remember I was like, man, it doesn't seem like it has much power.
Yeah, you thought it was a transmission problem. Well, I don't even have to pump it, so when you crack that open, that thing should go, dude. Is it?
Nothing.
What? No way. That's crazy.
All right, go ahead and pump it.
Oh, but it released though on that side.
Yeah.
Oh, go to the other side, dude. Try turning this rotor for a second before you do it.
Yeah, just for continuity of troubleshooting.
Oh, this one's already loosened up though.
Well,
Huh. We'll go ahead and lead that side too. Oh, there it went. It's off the floor.
yeah, pump it up. Pump it a little hard.
Okay, feels like correct right there, and it's building pressure. Holding.
I let go. Yeah, but it releases.
Okay. Well, dudes, don't know. So we just bled the brakes again in the front, and it released both front discs, rotors,
Working as advertised.
and is working as it should. Why would it jam up like that? If you guys know, please leave it in the comments because we're a bit puzzled, and we'll see if it does it again at some point. But
Right. It's not
I don't know. We're puzzled, but it's working for now, so we're just gonna keep going on the other stuff. Just kidding. All right, I think we're ready to spray this bad boy. We're just gonna use this plasti dip because we're not 100% certain that we're gonna keep it this color. We're not certain that we're gonna keep these wheels for this car. So just a quick pressure wash, soaped it down real well, and I think we're ready to go. So I'm gonna go and start spraying this. Well, shoot, we realized that the plasti dip Jim ordered online turned out to be clear, not silver. And that's not gonna work. So I ran over to the auto parts store, got some wheel silver for now, not plasti dip, which hopefully will actually look better for what we're doing. So now I'm really gonna start painting. So this car came with some really busted up taillights, and they're really cool looking taillights too, by the way. And this is actually the better one. So the other one that was kind of what was left of that one. So these taillights, so Jim sourced some taillights on eBay. These are the new ones. By the way, these were like 89, 90 bucks, something like that for a pair. It said 62 Mercury on it, and all we can think that maybe it's a different model Mercury. This is a Monterey. Maybe this is for like a Marauder. I think they made a Mercury Marauder as well. It's really trippy though, because look at this. Let's check this out. So this is our original 62 Mercury. This is the other one that they sent us on eBay. But here's what I want to show you guys. Problem is with the back. It's the actual footprint. It's totally different. Don't worry about this white thing. We already took it out of this one. That's not a problem. That's not the problem. The problem is this footprint that you know, fits into this casing or this frame that it came with, but this does not fit here. So this light will not fit in here. So here's what I'm gonna do though, because for whatever reason, the guy that Jim bought these from on eBay is really slow on responding. He said that he actually sent out the correct taillights, but that was 3 weeks ago. Not sure what kind of shipping method he used, but Jim wants to drive this car this weekend away from his wedding. So I'm gonna try to do this, but I'm gonna just let you guys in on a little secret. I already did one. I did this the other day. I didn't record it because I wasn't sure what was gonna happen. Didn't really have time to shoot video of it. But I took basically the new taillight that we got, the old base footprint of it, which is this one, and I cut the old one off so I can use this base of it. I cut the new one off. I'm gonna throw away this base, and then we're gonna bond those together just like I did right here. And this is now a good one that will fit in there. So I'm gonna take you guys along for a ride on how I'm gonna do this. And pretty cool though. I mean, sometimes you just gotta get creative. First things first though, anymore, because I'm getting to that wiser age where I wanna wear some protective gear. So I'm gonna put this cool new little respirator I have, because I don't wanna breathe these gases when I cut this with the cutting wheel. Cut the old one first. I'm gonna make an incision all the way around. Secret is to not grind up this little reflector piece, because that will show in the car. I want to just give a little tip right here. I'm not gonna go all the way down. I'm gonna leave a little lip, cut it off, and then I can go back and grind it, kind of fine tune it. That way I can protect this little reflector side right there. This is going to be going in the trash. We're going to salvage this piece, but I'm going to go ahead and cut this piece off. So on this one, I don't care about this base, so I'm going to go as close as I can there, just so that I can get as much of the length of this really cool looking taillight. Check out this cotton candy we got going on here. This plastic's crazy. That's Josh. Along with that. And these two are gonna go together. And I'm gonna clock it so that it's gonna look proper for what we need. Let's change the blade on the old grinder. Brand new grinder because, well, we killed our old one, but you know what? That thing probably lasted 15 years. And it did just probably, gosh, definitely hundreds of hours, but probably thousands of hours of actual grinding. And it lasted that long. This is probably what I like most about doing custom work like this, you know? Making something that wasn't supposed to be together, hence the 49 Ford on a more modern BMW 335i. I just like doing things that are just unique, one-off, and solving problems like that. It's really cool.
So as you could see, John and Jim were jamming trying to get that car ready for the wedding. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed so that you can be notified when the next video comes out, and hopefully see Jim and his beautiful new bride drive away in this car. See ya.